Have you ever wondered what goes into the creation of a city? When answering this question, a civil engineer must take into account many different aspects. In this video, the three main components of engineering a city will be explained. These will be geotech, structural, and transportation. When you first think of the city, what comes to mind? You might be thinking of roads and buildings, but what most people don't think about is the ground that holds it all together. That's where geotechnical engineering comes in. Geotechnical engineers look at the soil that structures are built on and how that soil will react once construction begins. So the properties must be analyzed. What type of soil it is it strong or weak, or how much water is in it? This is the groundwork for city development. With the solid foundation established, we can start to focus on the structural aspect of a city. Everyday life relies on structures, schools, offices, and even your home. Without them, there wouldn't be much of a city. Structural engineers design the beams, columns, and floors that are essential to a building. These structural members can be made of many different materials such as steel, concrete, or wood. Designing the material and size of these structural members is a typical task that would be assigned to a structural engineer. While structures are a very important part of the city, we wouldn't be able to get from place to place without having a transportation system. That's where transportation engineering comes into play. Transportation engineering focuses on many things such as road design and city planning. Another important aspect is traffic engineering. In the city, population size must be considered to prevent unfavorable traffic conditions such as traffic jams and time delays. Engineers analyze traffic flow data to make an efficient system. They do this by combining different types of transportation like highway systems and public transport into one whole system. Success in designing these three main components results in the development of a functioning city. The engineer starts with foundation and groundwork. From there, the engineers move upward to the structures and how they are designed. Then the engineer ties everything together with the design of transportation systems that make the city flow.